Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about HP Spectre Foldable Laptop. So friend, the remarkable 3-in-1 device with a foldable screen that seamlessly integrated the base features of a laptop, tablet and desktop for the ultimate hybrid experience. The Spectre Fold easily transitions between the three distinct form factors for a frictionless user experience, effortlessly switch from a traditional laptop to a slim tablet with a continuous 17-inch screen, then to a powerful desktop with a sleek built-in kickstand. And this is made possible with the foldable panel and integrated hinge designed for durability and tested with the same requirements as traditional HP laptops. And friend, it includes HP Presence 2.0 for enhanced productivity and collaboration that takes conferencing to the next level with a 5-megapixel camera to look your best, along with Intel Unison support to easily connect the PC to your mobile device, and it is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor engineered on the Intel Evo platform, and it is capable of handling demanding real-life tasks in any mode with ease. Enjoy stunning graphics with Intel Iris Xe graphics and long-lasting battery life of up to 12 hours in laptop mode and up to 11 hours in desktop mode, and the device also equips user with a blazing fast Wi-Fi 6E connectivity and plenty of storage with 16 GB of memory and 1 TB SSD. And friend, if we talk about the pricing, the HP.com for a starting price of 4,999.99 USD dollar. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.